So the number one symptom that nobody is talking about when it comes to things like type 2 diabetes or pre-diabetes, right? It's a warning light to you. And that is your inability to go without food. If you wake up starving, if you're hungry in an hour or two after you eat, if you're unable to metabolically switch in the absence of food, if you get hangry or lightheaded, if you get hypoglycemic, that is metabolic inflexibility, right? That is metabolic poor health. And if that stays like that too long, or maybe you have a genetic predisposition to type 2 diabetes or just diabetes in general, then you are going to trigger that. So don't wait while your pre-diabetes turns into diabetes. If you are pre-diabetic or type 2 diabetic, this is very serious. It is a big risk factor in cardiovascular disease, which is the number one cause of death in women. And the great news, here's the great news, right? It can be reversed. If you want to find out how I've been helping my community do just that, then I want you to schedule a call with me today. See what my program's all about. I have different tiers of programs, and we'll see if you're a good fit for one of them and if we're a good fit to work together. So I want you to click on the link. It's either below or in my bio. Get in touch with me today. I look forward to speaking to you soon, Bye.